Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how you can install an NPM package in Visual Studio Code. For the sake of tutorial, I am using this Lodash package which we are going to install in Visual Studio Code. So you can see there is a command to install a Lodash package using NPM. To copy this, simply click here. Now it's time to go to the VS Code. In the VS Code, simply go to View, click on Terminal, and here simply paste that command. Now hit enter. So you can see the installation is done. You can also open this package.json to make sure it is installed. So you can see this is Lodash and this is the version that we have installed. Now let's try it out if it is working or not with the index.js. Let's go to Lodash homepage to pick an example. So this is the example. Let me copy this. The output should be this. To use Lodash library in the index.js, you have to make use of require statement. So it will go like this: const underscore require and the library name, which is Lodash. That's it. Now let me paste that code that we copied. Let's store the output in the result variable and simply console log it. Save it. Now to run this file, simply go to terminal and type node index.js and hit the enter key. So you can see we are getting same output. Let's verify it. So you can see this is same output. So I hope you understood how to install an NPM package in Visual Studio Code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.